Hi, this is Michael Sandler once again talking about topics in bankruptcy. A lot of times people come in and they're in big trouble. Someone is garnishing their paycheck, someone has frozen their bank account. Garnishments can be a very damaging tool used by your creditors. Creditor can garnish up to 25% of your pay. They can freeze all the funds in your bank account. Whether you can get that money back depends on a lot of different factors. But one thing that can definitely get the money back is if you file a bankruptcy case. Filing a bankruptcy starts something called the automatic stay. The automatic stay stops all creditor actions. Creditors can't call you, they can't send you bills, and they certainly can't sue you or garnish you. Typical case would be someone comes into my office, their pay is being garnished, it's been garnished for the past month, they've got $2,000 that's sitting out there that they'd like to get back, and so we file a bankruptcy case for them. As soon as we file that bankruptcy case, we file county court letting them know that the case has been filed, and that will cancel the garnishment hearing. And we'll also send a letter to the client's employment, either their human resources or payroll department, whichever is the applicable department to send it to, letting them know that their employee has filed bankruptcy and that they are no longer allowed to garnish their pay. At the same time, we'll also contact the attorney for the creditor and let them know about the bankruptcy filing and request that the creditor also file a notice with the court and send a letter to the garnishing employer as well. So we attack it from 3 different angles to get that garnishment stopped as quickly as possible. Getting the funds back can be quick, or it can take a month or two. It really depends on the situation. If the funds have already been, if the funds haven't been sent to the court, then a lot of times the employer will just release the funds to you. If the funds have already been sent to the court, it can get a little more tricky. Oftentimes the money will either be sent back to the employer, but it could also be sent to the trustee. If it's sent to the trustee in your bankruptcy case, then you'll typically have to wait until that meeting with the trustee 5 weeks later before you can get the money back. Now, there's another video I'm going to do which talks about exemptions. You have to make sure that you have available exemptions to exempt that garnished funds to get it back. But in most cases, you will get your garnished funds back. Now, again, this is in Virginia. I know a lot of people in different areas like to watch these videos. This is the way it works in cases in Virginia. And even if you live in Virginia, if a Maryland court is garnishing you and it's been sent by a Maryland court, oftentimes the money that is being garnished isn't sent by your employer or by the bank to the court in Maryland. Oftentimes it's sent directly to the creditor. If that is what happens, then it's a lot harder to get the money back. But in Virginia, the money is sent to the court, and as long as you file your bankruptcy case before that garnishment return date, you should typically get the money back. This is a complicated subject, and of course coming in for a free consultation is a way to go over your particular facts to get everything straight and find out what exactly is going to be going on in your case. This is Michael Sandler answering your questions in bankruptcy.